everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel MD Learnings. So today I'm going to show you how to use and create Google Forms. Google Form, it is an online tool by Google to create forms, survey, quiz, and you can edit and share it with anyone like your friends, colleague, and other people's, so that you can get their response. And nowadays, Google Form is used by different platforms uh, educators are using, HRs are using, and to collect their employee data or student data. So let's start the learnings.
So first thing what we have to do, you have to open your Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome, in the search bar, you just type Google Form. Okay, and here you can see Google Form, online form creator. Okay, so I will first I have to sign in. So just click on Google Form sign in. In this you can see pre-designed templates of the Google Forms are there, like party invite or t-shirt sign up. Okay, so I will show you one, if I will select this t-shirt sign up. In this already form is created. Okay, enter your name and size to sign up for the t-shirt. The person has to enter the name, short text. In the short text column you have to enter the answer, shirt size, t-shirt preview, this is a photo what I have given to the t-shirt design preview, and other thoughts, any comment if employee, any person has to want to give, so they can give their answer here. Okay, so this is the predefined Google Form template. So I will show you how to create a blank fresh as per your requirement. So just click on blank. The same what I have showed you in the previous template, you have to give any form description, what are the headings of form. So I will give I need to get my employees some data, so I will just give the heading employees data. Okay, now what will be the first question. Okay, so I need first name, this will be my first question, and in this I need a short answer, like only names, apart from this no any other extra data, extra entries. So just in this right side you can see the drop down menu and just select short answer. Okay, and this after selecting this, you will get, the person will get to enter only the short answer. Okay, so as a first name. In the second question I need a last name. Okay, so just duplicate this, here options are there, duplicate, just duplicate this and just change your this first name to last name. In this they can enter only the last name. So after last name I will give the third question as a employee ID. Okay, I need the employee ID number, same short answer only I will select, and I will get my third question. Fourth I will give date of birth, date of birth. Okay, so what is the birth date of the particular employee, but I don't need any short answer, any other text to be entered in this answer. So what I will select, I will just, in that from the top down you can see here date option is there, I will just select date. So after this the person will be able to enter only date of birth, only dates, apart from this nothing. They will give this they will get this calendar they will get, and from the calendar they can select that particular date. For the same for the next question I will just select date of joining. So in this they will be allowed to enter only the dates. So next question I will just give, which will be my last question, department. Okay, So in this department I need we have different departments like finance, warehouse, or procurement. So I need predefined drop down menu. So I will select this drop down from this option. So drop down I will select, and what I need to be my first option, I will give like finance, second option sales, third option warehouse. So like this you can give different options what you want. So one more option I will give like procurement. Okay, so these four options what I required in my drop down list, so that the user will select only this four option, any one of this from the four options, and they will submit the form. And one more thing, like some of the fields I need to make it required, like it is compulsory to fill. So what I will do, just select this, and here you will get the option of required. So just make it purple, make it active, so that the person, when before submitting the form, if they are not filling this question answer, then they can't submit the form. Same with the employee, I will do, it is required, date of birth it is required, date of joining also it is required, and department also required. Last name I have not given because maybe some of the employees don't have their last name, so I will just uncheck this, and rest of the fields I will make it compulsory. So after this, just you have to click on this send option. Okay, here you will get different options, like you can send this link to on the mail to other person or any other employees, or you can create a link and you can share in the different your WhatsApp group or your Telegram group. So I will just select this shorten URL, and I will get a small uh, form link so that I can share on the group. So I will just copy this, and I will close this. So my form is ready now. So what I will do, I will just open the same form link what I have copied, and I will fill some data. So what I will do, I will just enter the first name, I will enter the last name, employee ID 1234, and date of birth I will select anything. Okay, and same, see here after selecting that date option in the Google form, apart from dates nothing we can enter in this form. Same for the date of joining, and department, if you will see, you will get the four drop down options what I have created: finance, sales, warehouse, and procurement. So I will select anything. One more thing, like you can see this red star, so this indicates that these fields are required. So if I am not going to fill this question, then I can't submit, it will show the error, this is required question. So this is how we are creating Google Forms. So just submit it, my response has been recorded. After submitting this response, uh, the end user can see the data whosoever has filled the form. So how to check that, just go to Google Forms again, and in this what form I have created, just open it. So I have created this form recently, so just click on this. In this I can see, you can see the pop-up in the response option. Here it is one, it is showing, means one response came. So just what I have submitted, that only it came. So just click on response, you can see this data what I have filled, So the same, you can convert this form data into the spreadsheet, or you can Excel. So just, you can see the option here in the right side. This option means create spreadsheet. Click on this. So if you want to create a new spreadsheet with a proper name, so you can give it employee data. And if you want to select existing spreadsheet, so that also you can use. Just give the name and click on create. So now spreadsheet created. So here you can see whoever will fill, the data will be updated. Okay, so I will show you the live example how, like this I have filled 2-3 minutes before. So same Google form, I will submit another response, and I will just fill the data like name, okay, last name, employee ID, I will give the date of birth, and same for the date of joining, I will give any date. Okay, and department I will choose finance, and I will just submit this form. So once the employee will submit their form, I will get the data immediately in my spreadsheet. It will get updated, my spreadsheet will get updated. So I can see, you can see, like as I filled that form, immediately the data gets updated in this Google spreadsheet. So this is how we are going to use, you can use Google form. Okay, no need to get the main manual data from each and every person. Just create one form, share in your groups, and get the work done. So you can copy this data. So here you can see like timestamp, at what time they have filled the form. Okay, this also you will get, so at what time, on which date they have filled. So just create a form, let them fill the data, and get the data in your Google spreadsheet in a single click. Just copy this. If you want to save outside the Google sheet, just copy this and paste in any Excel workbook and save it and keep the data with you. So this was how we have created a Google form. Hope you guys learn this and you can use this in your day-to-day basis, whatever, like these are the things very helpful for HR, because they have to collect so many data from their employee, and each and every data they have to fill and they have to keep it for the record. So just create a Google form. This is not only like you can use it for employee collecting data, like you have, if you want to collect data from employee, not only for that you can use for other things like survey forms you can make. And if you have any like uh, quiz or any quiz type of things in your offices or college, you can create a form, you can circulate between each and every person, and you can get to know, you will get the data in your Google sheet. So thank you so much. Hope you guys learn something.
So friends, hope you learned something. If you learned something, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this. Hope you like this, and see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.